the automobile industry is on the cusp of a revolution. Artificial intelligence is set to transform every aspect of the driving experience, from manufacturing to customer service and everything in between. Today, we are going to explore how AI is unlocking the future of the auto industry. But before we dive in, I have a question for you. What do you think will be the biggest impact of AI on the future of the auto industry? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and who knows, your comment might be featured in our upcoming discussions. Now, let's unlock the future together. The first way that AI is transforming the auto industry is through the use of AI-powered robots in manufacturing. These robots are able to perform tasks with greater precision and efficiency than humans, leading to increased productivity and lower costs. They can also work around the clock without taking breaks, which means that manufacturers can produce more cars in less time. Additionally, AI-powered robots are able to collect data about the manufacturing process, which can be used to improve quality control and identify areas for further efficiency gains. This not only helps to create safer and higher quality vehicles, but it also reduces waste and optimizes resource usage. For example, one company is using AI-powered robots to paint car bodies with greater accuracy and speed, resulting in fewer defects and wasted resources. Another company is using robots to assemble components with greater precision, leading to improved quality and safety. The second way that AI is transforming the auto industry is through the development of self-driving cars. Self-driving cars have the potential to make transportation safer, more efficient, and more accessible. By automating the driving process, these vehicles can reduce the number of accidents caused by human error and can navigate traffic more efficiently, reducing congestion. Additionally, self-driving cars can provide new mobility options for people who are unable to drive themselves, such as the elderly or those with disabilities. However, there are still significant challenges to overcome in terms of safety, legal liability, and public acceptance before self-driving cars can become common. Despite these challenges, companies like Waymo, Tesla, and GM are investing heavily in developing this technology, and it is likely to be a major focus of the auto industry in the coming years. The third way that AI is transforming the auto industry is through the use of AI. These assistants can provide drivers with real-time information and support, making the driving experience more convenient and enjoyable. They can help with navigation, entertainment, and vehicle control, allowing drivers to focus on the road ahead. AI-powered assistants can also learn driver preferences over time, providing a more personalized driving experience. This can help drivers to stay safe and focused on the road, while also making the driving experience more enjoyable. For example, one company is developing an AI-powered assistant that can monitor driver fatigue and provide suggestions for rest stops. Another company is working on an AI-powered system that can detect emotions and provide support to drivers who are feeling stressed or anxious. The fourth way that AI is transforming the auto industry is through the use of predictive maintenance. By analyzing data from sensors and other sources, AI algorithms can predict when a vehicle is likely to require maintenance, allowing for more proactive and efficient maintenance scheduling. This can help to reduce the risk of breakdowns, improve vehicle reliability, and lower maintenance costs. For example, one company is using AI to analyze data from connected cars to predict when a vehicle is likely to need a brake pad replacement, allowing for more efficient maintenance scheduling and reduced risk of accidents due to brake failure. In conclusion, AI is poised to have a profound impact on the future of the auto industry, from manufacturing to customer service and everything in between. As AI technology continues to develop, we can expect to see even more innovative applications that will shape the future of the auto industry and the way we drive. What are your thoughts on the future of the auto industry? How do you think AI will impact the way we drive and the types of vehicles that are on the road? Share your thoughts with us in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all our latest content. Thank you for watching.